Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, I'd like to show you how to make some garlic and herb chicken that's going to be cooked in a oven bag. Just like the oven bag when you cook turkey, but we're going to actually cook the garlic and herb chicken in it. Okay, so follow me along, check out the links below, and the whole purpose of the bag is to lock in all the seasoning and flavor and make the chicken nice and tender. Okay, alright, let's do it. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below if you'd like to support this channel in any way. Let's do it. Okay, so this is our garlic and herb. It's salt free, so I'm trying to use 0 to little as possible salt these days, okay? And hopefully if you feel like you would like to cut back on the salt because it does affect your organs and you don't want to destroy your organs, you might want to join me. Alright, this is granulated onion. So what I did is I did a video on this, a live stream, and I went through my cabinets and took out 99% of the items that have salt in it so that I can eliminate the salt problem. This is ground garlic. So you're going to have to bring up the flavor with other seasonings. This is cayenne pepper, so that because you're going to miss the salt, but you know, after a while you'll get used to it and you'll get used to a new flavor. Now this is a salt substitute. It says new salt substitute. Okay, so this is my first time trying it. We're gonna see how this tastes. You know, you never know until you try something, right? So I'm gonna turn it over and put the same seasonings on this side. Okay, now this is the bag that we're going to be using, and this was 3 in a package, 3 bags in a package. I get at Dollar Tree for $1. Okay, I cut up 1 large onion and put that in there. This is 1 small tomato. I'm going to put that in there. Okay, now I'm adding a 1/2 cup of water. Now this Thai came with it, with the bag. So you just put one end through the other end through the loop. Okay. So you notice how I took this in that after I tied it and tucked it down in the pan like that. Okay, now I gotta put a few holes in the top for breathing. Okay, I put about 4 holes in there. I let the air out. Okay, there we go. So we have 3 drumsticks in here with the seasonings and the salt-free seasonings and the tomatoes and onion. And we're going to put that in the oven on 400 degrees until the chicken reach 165 temperature, okay? All right, let me put it in the oven. Okay, guys, garlic and herb chicken that we cooked in the cooking bag is out. Look at that. You know, we had the onions and tomatoes cut up on there. Can't wait to taste this for you. Okay, let me taste. Okay, let's give it a taste. The chicken is so tender, you don't even have to chew, for real. I like the flavor. I like the added flavor that the tomatoes and onions brought to it. Brought it a nice flavor. Very good, very good. So you can try your meat in a cooking bag and see how well you like it versus if you just put it in the regular oven. If you put it in the regular oven, you're going to get one texture. If you put it in a bag, you're going to get a nice softer texture and you might just like it, okay? Alright, so I know you like the recipe. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video and subscribe. Thanks for hanging around. Talk to you soon. And let me give you a quick word. The quick word is trouble don't last always. Good days is coming. That's a quick word. Alright, bye-bye.